Look at this. That one in the back's old, man. Right, day 2 in Rabat. And we're going to go down to the beach, and then we've got something very exciting after that. We're going to go out to the middle of nowhere, and we're going to go ride some quad bikes for the sunset. But first, back to the market's going to go get some food. Yeah, man, up early and fresh, and then we're going to go get in the water. Let's go, boom, cut to the market. Mate, there's so many cats. Everywhere you go there's cats and Tommy Hilfiger shorts and stuff. I'm definitely gonna have to get some stuff before I leave. I'll probably leave it till like the last day or whatever. But yeah, man, it's way more chill today than it was the other day. I fancy some. I might have to get some fruit, you know. Fancy some fruit. Oh shit. Bro's trapping eggs. Trap.
Half of them, bro.
They love a bit of flavour here, man. Can't wait. I should have probably. I'll try something different tomorrow, innit?
It's a curved road, innit? Out that foot.
Brekkie.
There's my brekkie.
Dirty flop. Yeah. Market's a crazy place, man. Busy. Feels a bit surreal, really. Feel like I'm in like Prince of Persia. Or like I know it's not a Rambo, yeah, but like Aladdin. It's just got that feel, doesn't it? Yeah, straight down to the beach, go for a little swim, get ready for quad biking. Ours is better. We still get better meal deals. Oh. Nah, I'm just gonna say I'm so fucking glad that we've decided to come swimming today instead. It looks well bigger. Yeah, there was so many people yesterday. I'm glad we've got it to ourselves today. Yeah, we don't feel like swimming on this side.
You gotta go all the way. That's long, man.
Yeah, all the tide's gone in on it. Should have predicted that. Fuck me, man. These two fuckers are in flip flops. I ain't bringing it. I'm in my shoes, man. Yeah, I'm taking them off. But we're gonna go to the actual sea, which is around there. You don't think? How much you want to bet? Hey, have I ever let you down?
Twice.
Son,
I'm betting 200,000 dirham, mate.
Call it 200 dirham. Nah, call it 100 dirham.
25 dirham.
That's like fucking 50p, bro.
65 dirham.
65 dirham says we can get around.
You're on, mate.
You get that?
Yeah, man, I want to 5 rock obvious.
Regardless. You're gonna be sorry. You're gonna be sorry, bro.
I'm gonna make you eat your words, mate.
Right, I got me thing, yeah.
Got your fucking webs out, lad.
I got my webs out, yeah. And I'm gonna prove this chump wrong. That we can get around. Got a massive building there. Got one massive building, there's absolutely nothing around it. We went past it the other day in a taxi, there's nothing near it.
That's a stadium, isn't it?
The what?
There, yeah.
Is that a stadium? It didn't look like it when we were close to it. You can't even see it on the camera. Yeah, before it goes and it gets fucking filled in, give him a little fucking... You still see it?
Only just. Turn a bit. Yeah, there we go. Look at that.
That's what happens when you keep your man bag on.
He's a slave.
I know how you felt. Oh, I'm joking. You don't know what our people went through, Marshall. You got no idea. I might have been wrong. Does this count as me being right? If we can get through it, does this count as being right?
Wait, where are you?
You thought land, we can get through.
This is coast.
Like a dry walk.
If we get through, I still win. I don't give a fuck.
What, through to the beach? At that point, we could just swam
Yeah,
around.
through to the beach.
There's no chance, lad.
You don't think?
Nah. I thought you was going to walk round to the cove.
That was the cove.
Not a chance in hell, lad.
You got your phone?
Yeah. Jesus!
Is it waterproof?
What? Obviously not.
Sometimes they're a bit waterproof.
How the fuck are you so high up?
Now we're gonna make it. Watch when we turn this corner. Follow me. I know what I'm doing. Have I ever led you the wrong way?
Yeah.
I led them the wrong way about 40 minutes ago in the market as well. No, we made it, boys. We made it. This place is gorgeous. Does anybody at home want to buy any mussels? Good supply, clean quality. Oh, there's crabs.
What is it?
Little crabs. I bet there's big ones somewhere around there. There's got to be.
What's your toes, lad?
Hello. Got to be an hard life walking sideways, innit? Imagine
What's that one doing, bro?
everywhere a fucking wind.
So what? What are you expecting to get? We're just gonna.
Yeah, we're just gonna go up there, and I'm gonna get my fucking 60 dirhams.
Are we getting up there?
Son,
Are we getting up
pal,
there?
we're gonna get up there, bro. We've made it this far.
That's definitely not what you meant.
This is what I meant. I said we could.
You said
I
you could
said.
walk around.
I've got it on camera. I said, yeah, we could make it from there to there without going around.
You thought we could just walk around.
Look what we've done. Listen, referee.
You meant we could just walk around and get there, like flat.
You gets the Durhams.
Flat.
To be fair, you're offside.
You are offside.
It's fucking corrupt.
You are offside.
Fucking corrupt system.
You didn't mention anything about climbing a big ass wall.
You paid him off.
Yeah, well, we are in Africa. Spain is home advantage. Even I'm not African.
I told you. I want my Durhams, bro. I want my Durhams. Pay up. There's crabs on the floor and crabs behind me. Give me Durhams. You good, bro? You good?
At least do just sand.
This is why you need holiday insurance.
Take me back home.
You alright?
Take me back home.
You good? Remember,
I'm injured.
Safety first.
Take me back home. I'm injured.
Safety first and teamwork.
No, I'm injured, mate. Take me back home.
That somebody has made steps.
Yeah,
Somebody
to be fair.
has made steps. I knew I was right. Fuck yous.
This is for sure offside, mate.
This is not offside, bro. This was. I said we could get around. We have got around. I didn't say it was going to be easy. I didn't say we were going to be like fucking. What's that movie called?
Brokeback Mountain.
No, we're not doing Brokeback Mountain today.
Which one?
My man who fucking goes and gets the crystal balls and that.
Crystal balls.
What?
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones.
Yeah, man.
Way after the joke, but yeah, Indiana Jones mode. I said I was going to do something and I did it. Right, yeah, we're pretty much at the beach. But cut to the beach. Right, I was right, they were wrong. Huh? You are red as fuck. Right, yeah, I was right. 60 dirhams up, but I think I lost like 40 in the water. Not in the water, yeah, before when I took my shoes and socks off. I lost my money, man. So I didn't even make nothing. You fucking twat. Water's... Oh! The water's lukewarm. 14 degrees. Nah, the water's semi-cold. It's not lovely, put it that way. I was chatting shit the other day. There is women in bikinis. Not bikinis, but yeah.
Yeah. Ah, shit. Oh. It's getting them before it crashes. All the wheels crashing up. Where do you want to be? Me, they are getting big! Maybe you just get like one big ones in every 8. Who's controlling it? Oh, mate. That is hefty, that lad. Who's getting bigger? You're chilling out a little bit. Oh, but now, oh mate, my eyes are burning. Same, bro. Worth it, worth it. Okay, worth it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh shit! Stop those then. Yo. What? Is there some cream getting in my eyes? Yeah, same. Oh, I fucked up. Oh. Oh, mate. It'll rinse that after a little bit. Ah. Help me! Oh! Oh, for fuck's sake! I beat that one. Oh, mate, straight definitely touched my foot. Help! Get me out! Go on, tackle it. Oh my days! I'm in stand. I'm in charge now. Give it. It's fucking coming. I'm the star of the show. Oh, wipe me out. Did you get that for that? The biggest wave I've seen. That's the biggest wave I've seen. That is fucking mad. Yo! Oh. We got took out, but that was well worth it to watch. Me, he's sick. Some lads have made a wrestling ring over there, yeah. Me and the boy are gonna have it because we're wet. Go on, you better get closer to us together. You better not have me off here now. It's got reputation. Battle of the white boys. I'd smoke these two, not gonna lie to you. Oh shit! Oh! Who won? Oh! Go on! You won! Oh, you too? You won! It's these two! I know he's massive! You fucked the hair, bro. You fucked. Come on, Marsh! You're on home turf! Oh, it's over, it's over, it's over, it's over. It's over. Go on, I want to go. Tag match. Ah, go on, lad.
He was out of the ring. Yeah, he's out. You won that. Did I win?
Yeah, you won. Representing England, Spain, and Africa. Yo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice one, boys. Nice lads, then. Cool guys, bro. Fucking tricked me, didn't he? Got me with the trick, bro.
He seen that he was getting pushed out the ring and died.
Got me with the trick, innit?
Yeah.
Yo, Marsh, you want me to slap you off?
What?
Do you want me to slap you off? Slap you off with the sand.
No, I'm good.
Sure.
I like it.
You like it?
Alright, go keep going.
Slap.
That's gay. No, that's gay. No, not here.
It's not even coming off.
Your lashings, lad.
Wait till you shower. Wait till you shower. Oh, we're at the co-op.
Did you not see the slave board?
I remember when you called him a slave before. Now the tables have turned. The tables have turned.
Go on, get him.
one of you.
Get him.
The tables have
Go
turned.
on. Get him back.
This is for 200 years.
Yo, bro. Marshall, another white guy. Huh? Another white. No whites around here. No whites. We're the only whites. We're the only whites in the village.
He's the only one to be
I feel like we're not in the touristy part of the market anymore. This feels like we're right. Check how many strings he's got. It's got pure different.
He's the only white in the ring. Where you get chased from in any action film.
Yeah, bro. That's what it feels like, innit?
Like this.
And then like you get shot through like a load of fruit stalls. Oh, look at all the cute little cats, man. Hello. Oh, they think it's food. No, it's gotta be a hard life being a cow over here, man. They're so cute though. Yeah, this is where you get like shot through a fucking veg store. You have a fight and you throw the bad guy onto the veg store.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like round there.
Someone comes falling through one of them canopies.
Yeah.
Got pushed out a window.
And then you get onto the rooftop. Bro, it's literally a scene from like The Bourne Identity. It's literally the start of the second movie.
It's a chase scene, bro.
Isn't it? Pushing through people.
Yeah, exactly. It's the best place.
I said before, bro.
So we've just got back to the hotel, right? And the lady said we can dry our towels upstairs. Check this. Didn't even know. Got a whole terrace. Bro.
This is my land.
Mate, this is a free runner's dream. Wet dream. Wet dream.
I was running across a rooftop.
Bond.
Yeah, James Bond.
Moroccan Bond.
Always in a foreign country running across a building into a trolley of fruits. James Bond. James Bond. Daniel Craig.
Bro, sit at the table like we're doing like a drug lord meeting or like a bad guy meeting, innit? This is how they do it. Enrico, when will you have my money?
Listen, my friend. I told the guy, I said, bring the stuff. He's not here, so I can't.
You bullshit me, Enrico.
Listen, brother. Listen, I promise you. He'll be here. He'll be here in 2 minutes. He'll be here in 2 minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Ush, 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 ush.
Hollywood. Why'd you slap my chest?
Sign us up.
That was so unnecessary. Imagine you just
Super necessary.
imagine you just off someone. He's on the chest. That was the part of the script, Callum.
I nearly pulled out the secret weapon. You got lucky.
That was a secret weapon.
You don't want to know. You know Marshall's probably waiting for us downstairs. Let's get moving.
Trees that look nice, man. Like this bit.
Let's go get a tagine. I love tagine.
Rice and tagine here.
A proper nice little chilled out hidden cafe.
Chilling for a nibble.
I like the drip, bro. You're looking good.
I never don't. This is just me, bro.
Mate, look how they've done this. Looks tasty, doesn't it? That's half. This place is literally half the price of the place on this on the beachfront. I don't know why that took me so long. Them waves give me concussion, man.
Yo. She's like punches in the back of the head, wasn't it?
Some of them waves give me concussion, bro. Oh, lads, we are back to plastic straws, bro. We're back to plastic. To be honest, every time I order this drink, it looks different. So I'm curious to see.
I want to try some of that.
What my one?
Yeah.
We're not having it. I said that's so camp.
Just see the straw.
No, it said it's apple milk.
Sneaking up.
No way.
Pretty nice, that.
Oh, there's the food. Thank you. We got vermicelli noodles. What did you get?
Chicken taco.
Chicken taco. That looks well nice. I can't lie. That looks fucking powered up, bro.
With Biggie sauce.
Biggie
duet.
Yeah, they got a sauce here and it just says Biggie. Apparently, it's Big Mac sauce in it. Is that what it says online? Big Mac sauce. But yeah, on the menu it just says with Biggie. It doesn't even say Biggie sauce. It just says with Biggie, doesn't it?
It's slicker than your average.
Do you want to taste that? Do you want to taste that? Mate, it's still bubbling. How are we going to eat this? We have to go to the quad place in 15 minutes. Oh, we're going to be late.
It's not bubbling, so we can't be actually.
Mine's still bubbling, bro. Oh, it's nice. It's tasty. You's fucked up, man. You's fucked up. You should.
Also nice.
Is it? Let me taste that. Go on.
Strawberry orange. A bit of sugar.
Yeah, it's just nice. It's nice. Mine's better though.
It is. Yours is like a shake.
Apple milk, bro. You would have been before apple and milk goes. Why don't we? Do you not feel like why doesn't everybody figure stuff out? Like why don't we do that in the UK? Why have we not figured out apple and milk works? That is power. That tastes amazing.
Can you even taste the apple?
Only in Morocco. No, I can't really taste. Nah, you can. Yeah, you can vaguely taste the apple.
It's like a vanilla milkshake, isn't it?
Yeah, it does taste like a milkshake. Alright, get it in, boys. Gonna try them. What is it? Vermicelli and some just spices.
Cinnamon.
Looks like
sugar.
cinnamon.
Yeah, cinnamon and sugar, bro. Fire.
That's what's in there.
Get on it.
Cinnamon challenge. Moroccan version.
That's good, isn't it?
Alright.
Yeah, no.
That is crazy good. Why don't we have Moroccan places in? There's one Moroccan restaurant in the whole of Manchester.
Only one?
Yeah.
Nah, there's gotta be more in Russia.
Red Marrakesh. Red Marrakesh. That's it. I googled it.
You been?
Don't question me, bro.
Have you been before?
Yeah, Red Marrakesh. Yeah. I
do
get
you
lamb
do?
tagine. Get lamb tagine every time.
They do vermicelli.
No, I've never tasted that. But that's what I mean. There's so many different things that I probably will never try. I've got to try them now while we're here.
Come here.
Alright, so this, boys, is what was it? It was beef.
Tagine.
It was beef and something. Looks like meatballs. Oh yeah, beef and egg. Beef and egg it is. Beef and egg sarnie.
Sauce, mate.
So Big Mac sauce on a wrap. That's crazy.
It actually goes though.
That's what I'm saying, apple and milk. Maybe it's just in Moroccan, maybe you have to cross the Morocco border. As soon as you cross the border, certain things just taste right.
Things together and it just goes.
Yeah, apple and milk, colours that you thought didn't go together.
Dimension, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like everything just kind of works. Still not tasted this. Oh. So me and Marshall swapped. I ate a load of his. He's not been able to get no bud.
Shit, bro.
Look at me shivering.
Expected. I need it.
Nah.
I was expecting to see someone at least.
Yeah, there's been no one around here to shot no bud. Apparently if you get caught smoking it's 10 years. But apparently at the same time you just get a hefty fine. This
You can't. It won't be much, bro. It won't be nothing more than fucking slap on the wrist, alright?
Yeah, probably. It said for tourists you'll just get a fine or something. But yeah, we're gonna go quad biking, bro. So snap to that. So Javal's using this app, right, where you kind of like bid your price on a taxi, if you know what I mean. You say, oh, I want to go here, and like how much you're willing to pay, and like. So the price, the taxi for the price we don't actually know yet. We're struggling to get one. What are we saying?
250.
So my man's saying 250. So 250 is like, what is it, like? About 20 quid. 22 quid. Let's do it, bro. Do you know what I mean? It's like an hour and 15-minute journey. Just do it. It is what it is, bro.
Finally, I find you. Yes.
No worries, bro. Thank you very much.
Yes, brother.
Thank you very much.
We'll go into Muslim.
Yeah. Quad biking.
Huh?
Quad biking.
Biking?
You know, quad bike. Run. Quad bike.
Quad bike?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
a motorbike, but with four wheels.
Is there a quad bike in Muslim?
Yeah.
Will be like this.
Well, why is Manchester United losing?
Oh,
Go on, you tell us.
They'll be better. Next year they'll be better.
Who is Sir Mr. Ferguson?
He's nearly dead.
I was loving very much Manchester United.
Yeah, me too. Well, we've gone downhill now.
Big scores.
Yeah, the class of '92.
Now you see that? That's what my man did to me when yeah, that's the war scar from fighting that giant Moroccan. What's he called? Goliath. Moroccan Goliath.
Really can't leave it.
The great. It's pretty mad here, so we've been driving for like an hour. And we like, and this is what it's actually like for Moroccans. You know, they don't live in the centre of Rabat.
Got some crops in that.
We're at the petrol station. I'm intrigued to see what it costs. Oh, they put the petrol in for you here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like, my man's doing it for him, bro. So, is they think you're gonna rob him?
Money, cash.
So they think you're gonna rob?
Yes.
I think it's at like 12 dirhams for a litre. That sounds like what's that? Like a pound a litre. That's not even that much different. It's like 130 in the UK. It's not even that much different, really, thinking about it. It's more the wage, really. It's like this journey is like a daily wage, like 1 day's wage. So, and even if he takes us back, it's like double what you would make in a day here usually. So it's more in the work in the labour. Like he's in an hour he's got his day's wage. We're in the middle of nowhere here. Crazy, bro. It's barren trees, bro. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name because there ain't no one to give you no fame. La, 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 la. Do you know that song?
No.
You never heard it? San Andreas, bro. Right, it's been like an hour and 20 minutes. We are officially like, if my man can't take us back, we are fucked. Nah, like what I just asked him what the donkeys do. What do you get from a donkey? Like why'd you have a donkey? Can it put, yeah, well, it can pull you, can't it? Like a horse. It's like a little horse. Look, it's this one now. That's a horse, isn't it? There's been loads of donkeys just out in the open. Oh, we're here, man. Yeah, man, we finally made it to the place. Right, boys, man. Can't wait. Right, we're on, boys. And if sucked off on me a bit, we're gonna drop some speed on him, bro. Ready? You know this one handed, man, on the stick. Probably need my brakes though right now. Proper. This ain't even the desert, this is their Greenland. Go, bro. Yo! What, stop? Did it stop? Oh, we broke down. Did it stop? Nah, you're staying in the desert, you, bro. You're staying here in Africa where you belong, bro. Now, I'll go get him. I'll go get him, bro. Bro, they've like not stopped at all. They've fully got off. Like, they've left us. They've left us. I'm gonna have to go find him. Bro, they've gone. Come back. Broken. Yeah. Squad broke down, man. Well, he's going to help him. I'm assuming we turn around, innit? I'm gonna have to go tell Hayes. Like, I don't blame them, obviously. It's just, I don't speak French or Arabic. Yeah, he's broke down, bro. You know what? This is the perfect opportunity to fucking change to the selfie stick. Bro, I look like a desert stormtrooper, bro. It's like rush hour, man. I reckon that, man. We're off. The views are crazy. I've got to watch out here. The fucking Moroccan stick.
be uphill from now. Trying to get a picture for us. Nice one, bro. Nice one, man. I'm holding a camera, you dickhead. Listen, if I could chest slap you right now, I fucking would. What? If I could. Oh, wait, what? What?
Yeah, you can't do it from me.
Trying to call me a granny and that. Granny this! All I'm just breathing in bed. That was close. Hurry up, you pussy. For like the first 10 minutes and now I'm the fucking Mancunian stick son. You fucking drive like a granny, you pussy. Knew it from you, cunt. Huh? What best? Rah, I look like a dirty bastard. Nah, not as much as me. Bro, I was at the back the whole time, I was just eating your dirt, bro. Ah, so what, man? Look at that. Oh. Off-white, innit?
I was stepping fresh as well. Thank you.
This guy here. Why do you think you can overtake me?
Listen. You wanna drink tea?
Not tea. I would like water.
Water?
Yeah.
Not tea?
No, not tea.
Tea is good.
I don't like it.
You don't like tea?
No.
You too?
Yeah, water good.
Water.
Listen. He was in the back of the line, mate. The whole time. One more time. The back.
Bro, do you know why you couldn't get past?
Why?
Because your big boomba was in the way.
Because I'm Lightning McQueen.
Why are you putting up my visor, bro? Did I say I wanted my visor put in?
Because I'm Lightning McQueen, mate. Listen, lad.
You know what? We're upgrading. We're upgrading from chest slaps. You know what you're getting?
What?
A poke.
What you're getting? What
Oh, that's fighting
One of
words.
them, lad.
That's fighting words.
Side of the air.
All the dust behind you. I can see the road.
Yeah, that's what happened to me. Well, bro, both of you. The dust off both of you.
It's my fault that you was eating it, bro. Eating my dust.
Listen, yeah.
Yeah, I'll stand.
You need to ask. It's polite to ask before you overtake.
Yeah, what the?
Oh, thank you very much. Yes.
Good service.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Gotta dip my finger in that now, then what?
You do that and you're very nasty,
You
man.
got sandy water.
Very nasty. Do you want some?
And you got sandy
You have
water.
some? Or they giving you?
You wanna eat something?
No, it's fine. I'm okay. Yeah. We ate before we came.
You don't feel hunger.
No. No. Thank you, man. What lovely hospitality.
Oh.
What lovely. Thank you. I've never drank out of a clay pot in my life. Alia fan.
It's higher. High the mountain.
Oh, high up. Right. Okay. High up farm. Yeah, YouTube channel. I'm not famous.
Not famous.
I'm not famous.
yet.
Million followers.
You will be famous.
You
in
think?
Future.
Thank you. I need that blessing.
Yes.
Your chin's a bit. Yo.
Ginger beard, lad.
Dusty ass. Dusty ass chin, bro. I hit. Do you know why? How I got?
This guy was in the back.
Listen. Do you know how I know I got faster?
Granny.
Do you know how I know I got faster than you? Because every time you went forward, I had this space, bro. All this space, and I just went. Use the middle Mary.
You see me fucking whizzing it? It's all a drift.
Moderate Mary in the middle.
Did you see the drifts? Could you see?
Yeah, you could tell a little bit. Could tell a bit. It probably felt like more than it. Felt like more than it was. I fucking dare you to fucking do that again. Fucking dare you, bro. To you. Fucking try wet me.
Wet man up.
Thank you. Thank you. Baby, needed help with your helmet. Oh, bro. Yo, you got that new. You got that new.
Oh, look at that.
This is way worse.
Off-white drip, bro. You two, man, fucked up, bro. I came in my work shorts, man. Yeah, it looks good. Nice, bro.
Off page.
The shit you see these days, they'll sell you that in fucking Selfridge. They'll sell you that. Yeah, Yeezy will sell it. Your Selfridges will sell you that for like 500 quid, bro. To be honest, I won't mind a little tour of this place, you know.
The same thing.
Yeah, they love these pots, innit? These pots, very in Morocco, everywhere. In Morocco, very common.
It's called tagine.
This is the tagine pot.
Tagine, yes, bro. Couscous and salad.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is what they put them in all the time. Every restaurant
Every restaurant
has these.
this, yes.
Right.
This place.
Bro, I could literally sleep there. I could sleep there.
Relaxing and drinking.
Nothing to do here. If we was to stay here.
We don't need. You know what we could do?
No, not here, no.
Oh, go and get on the hammer, bro. Go on. He's gonna bail. He's gonna bail. Go on. Hey. He's well at home. At the pool. This is on a farm. This, bro. This is Morocco, innit?
Yeah, this is sick, bro. Television.
Hey. What a gaff.
Climate.
Oh, fan.
Climatizer.
It's warm in here. Warm in here though, isn't it?
Bedroom.
Oh, what's in here?
Bedroom.
Yeah, man.
500.
500.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, 45 quid. It's pretty cheap. Per person? For one person?
No.
For free? For free? Oh, for 3 people as well?
For 3
Wow,
years.
that's great price. Brilliant price.
Please.
Mate, that's a completely different experience to being in Rabat. Like, this is like farmland. I bet the stuff we could do here, we could probably like ride a donkey or something.
Yeah, donkey, horse, goat. It's close to this is the equivalent of like living in like Devon or something.
There's the quads. So these guys just,
Do that all day.
yeah, these guys just live here and just have quad bikes and that. Probably ride them all the time.
Could do that all.
No, you're not happy. You're not happy with me. I'm sorry, chicken.
Sorry, pal.
Sorry, Paul. Sorry, Paul. Peacock man. Huh? Yeah, that ping pong table's seen better days.
Someone's got an advantage.
Which side you picking? Yo,
Listen.
bro, be careful with him, bro. He does not look
Wow, nah.
like he's in him.
He's a blood, he's a blood. Can't associate.
Oh, like big candle at night.
Ah.
Do you see,
Nice
do you
place
see
to
what,
be sick at night.
Why do I just smell every candle in fucking everything?
It's for fire.
Pizza.
you cook for cooking bread?
Bread.
For cooking bread, yes. For
Yeah, you get your eggs from over there. You get your eggs from your own chicken, and then come in here and cook your own bread.
chicken.
Chicken
Eggs,
to get your eggs.
yeah. Eggs.
We don't do that.
Yeah, we get them from the supermarket.
One egg.
We go co-op. I think you've heard of it. you got a couple of them, eh? You forgot my name.
Marshall. Eduardo.
Eduardo.
Spanish name.
Eduardo.
Spanish name.
Spanish boy, Spanish name.
I feel like I'm getting bullied here. Huh?
Spanish.
Spanish.
My dad.
Yeah.
My dad's Spanish.
Your dad is Spanish.
From Madrid. I want to ride a donkey.
Would we be able to ride one? If
We ride a donkey.
Yes, right.
Can I ride one? I want to ride a donkey.
You?
Yeah.
And come smith of no. Yes.
He said I can ride a donkey.
You can ride it. Everything is here.
Yeah. Oh well, another time innit? If we ever came, yeah. Alright, we're calling the vlog there, boys. If you enjoyed that might have been the best vlog I've done so far, innit? If you've enjoyed it, tell them what to do.
Like us, subscribe.
You fucked that up, you amateur, bro.
Let me do the head tap.
Should we say that on video?
Okay.
I need the I need you to say it for good wishes.
Yes.
This channel,
Yes.
100 million subscribers.
100 million. 200 million. Inshallah.
You heard the man.
Inshallah.
You heard the man. So you better subscribe.
You're a bit louder. What? A little bit louder. Louder. Yeah.
Bang it in.
Broke up with a girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love.
Show me some love.
You know what I mean.